Hey everyone, this is Jasper with iNet Enterprises, and today we are going to be talking about a popular website builder that you could have a full website up and running in under 30 minutes. So, without further ado, I'm going to let the intro play, and then you're going to hop over my shoulder, look at my screen, and we're going to look at this site together. And without further ado, let's get into it. All right, so I'm not going to really waste no time. I'm going to get into it. First website builder we're going to talk about is Canva. I know Canva is more so for social media graphics, but as of recent, in the past couple of months, they actually have their own website builder. So I want to show you what it's like, how you can access it, how are you going to build it, and yeah, so I'm not going to play any games. Let's get to it. Of course, like I said, the goal is to have a simple website in under 30 minutes with these platform tools. So let's get right into it. I'm going to be focusing on vegan restaurants. So I'm going to type vegan restaurants in Canva just to see what we got. It's going to have a category. We're going to do website. We're going to look for website. Once you choose category, you're going to look for that option that says website. As you know, you have your Instagram post, your Facebook post, your ebook cover. We're solely focusing on a website. So we're going to hit website, and as you could see, it generates. We know that Canva has both free graphic designs and paid. So we're going to avoid the pro because I just want to focus on budget friendly. So if I was to choose one, I want to choose something. This looks kind of healthy. Let's go with this. It looks healthy enough. Sure, why not? So we're going to hit customize template. Now, I'm not going to go too in depth on the editing of the website. I just wanted to show you. So for example, this area. This is probably the business name. Let's call our zone. Let's see. Vegan Delights. So let's work on that. So we're going to go in here. Delete, call it Vegan Delights. Let's see, we're gonna do elements. Let's go logo. We're gonna go, let's see, vegetable logo. Just want something very simple. Sure. We're gonna go with this. I'm gonna do Vegan Delights. Tap it over. Of course, this is just rough. This is very rough. I just want to show you how crazy this is, you know. Hello, we are Vegan Delights. And as you scroll, as you could see, it's one beautiful one pager, right? Now, of course, you can edit this to what you want it to be. You can have, let's keep on going, I guess, just to show you the power. Image, we're gonna exit out, or we're gonna replace it. Let's see. Let's do carrots. Like I said, we are just simply being very quick with it. Like I said, we don't really have time to get into it, so we'll just add stuff. And of course, once you navigate around, you will have, plenty of time to fool around with. So let me show you a preview of it once everything is said and done. Ugly logo, I get it, but I just wanted you to see what it's like. So, wholesome is here. Of course, we can go and edit the copy. That's not the problem. That's not a huge problem, rather. You go in here, you edit it to what you want. Remember, this is meant for simple basic websites that you could do by yourself. You can add hyperlinks and navigate to other areas. That's not a problem. That's not a hard task. It's very, very straightforward, very simple. Now, if you were to publish the website, the only thing is the domain is going to be .my.canva.site. The only thing is Some people don't really care for it. There are others that do care for it. You can always go to use a custom domain and simply just purchase a whole domain and go back here, use custom domain feature, add it on, and boom, you got it. Of course, I'm not going to go too much in depth of that. I just want you to see how easy it is with how Canva, you could literally just swap out the pages, customize it, add the text, add the images. Of course, there's a multitude of different designs out there to choose from, and you simply just hit publish website. And the crazy thing is, it's this alone, I don't even think this was 5 minutes. I think this was probably about 3 minutes. Once you edit it and get your designs how you want it pretty, that might take the rest of the 25 minutes, but it's not that hard. It's really not that hard navigating and utilizing Canva's website builder feature. So I got 5 minutes in this video, I think, if I'm not mistaken. I'm going to show you another one. This is another one I like. It's a little bit of a sleeper. I'm going to say this one is Gamma.app. Literally bring your ideas to life. AI inspiration, presentations, it does designs, documents, websites, social media. So once you log in to Gamma.app, it's going to take you to this screen, right? And we are going to try to create a new website using the AI feature so you can see. So I'm going to hit generate, and then I'm going to choose web page. And this time, instead of a vegan restaurant, I'm going to say create for me a bakery restaurant that specializes in making baking cookies, I'm sorry. And let's see what happens. I'm going to hit generate outline. As you can see, it shows the outline. We're going to hit generate. And as you can see, it's here populating, creating the website for us. Look at it go. Look at it go. And it's going, and it's going. Simply amazing, right? So obviously, once you do it your first time, it's going to show you where you go and edit. Obviously, we could edit in here, but of course, they're going to give you tips so you don't feel too overwhelmed. That's why they made sure it's very simple, very user-friendly, easy to navigate. So let's say we are going to name this Sweet Surrender Cookies. Yeah, let's just keep it at that. And as you can see, he has the order now. You could literally add this, paste a link to go somewhere in the page if you want, visit the store. It could scroll down to the section. As you could see, it has the price, the calories, the images. I mean, if the Canva felt overwhelming, this one was very, very quick. I don't even think we took 2 minutes building this. Of course, at the end, when you're finished, simply hit publish. Same situation, you're gonna have a nonchalant domain. It's gonna be .gamma.site. If you want to add a custom domain, you will have to do the pro and will get the it's included in the pro package, the domain that is. And yeah, that's it. So as you could see just from these two sites, the power of how simple it is to create a website in less than, I was saying less than 30, but now you see a full website up and running. It could even be less than 15 minutes. So So I'm going to end it here. And I'm glad that you all are able to see the power of how simple it is to build websites in this day and age. And of course, if you have any other questions, definitely reach out. Hit us up an email, follow us on our channels, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, X, Twitter. Let's go with Twitter. I like to say Twitter, not X. But yeah, with that being said, thank you all for tuning in to this one. It's been a long time since I've done a demo video. More to come, absolutely. And yeah, with that being said, stay safe. God bless.